Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need an app that accepts text. Open Messages or Mail and tap a conversation or compose to place the cursor in a text field. Once done, make sure your watch is unlocked and on your wrist so input options appear. If you see a microphone or scribble button instead of a keyboard, don't panic. Hardware and watch OS version determine what appears. If your watch pairs with an iPhone, some keyboard options depend on the paired phone settings and the watch OS release. When the text field is active, look for input controls near the bottom of the screen. Tap any icon next to the microphone or scribble button. On newer models, a keyboard icon appears. If you don't see it, try tapping the screen edge using a firm press on supported models or swiping left or right to cycle input methods. Once keyboard appears, you can tap letters or use quick path sliding input if supported. Make sure you're running the updated Watch OS to get the full keyboard experience. Type using taps or slide with quick path, then send or confirm with done. If the keyboard never appears, first update Watch OS and check the paired iPhone's keyboard and language settings. Mismatched region or language can hide options. Next, restart the watch and iPhone. If that fails, unpair and repair to reset input services. One key troubleshooting tip: check accessibility settings. Voice over or other features can change input methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.